many of you have dreams at night? In your dream, you begin to fly naked in public or something, or you lose your teeth, you fail exam, or you are being chased. You watch African Magic that they kill somebody around 1 a.m. at night. You say somebody's chasing you. You have dreams. I came here to touch your dream. My uncle, his name is Abdul Kalam, the 11th president of India, says a dream is not what you see when you sleep. A dream is that which does not allow you to sleep. If you see Telemundo in your dream, you're a poor man. Before 2009, I was like one of you. But I changed my mindset. When I resigned from my company, I was working with them. I went to stay with a friend of mine who had a car shop in front of Bar Beach. I would sit there for 3 months every day. I would go there and sit there. I needed to tamper with my medulla oblongata. 5 things are all present in all of us. One is the eye, the mouth, the nose, the ears, and the hand. Every single one of us here has one of those things. Now, why am I mentioning this body part? Because your eyes are meant for sight. Your eyes see things. Stop looking at ugly things. It affects your thinking. How do you wake up and the first thing you see is a rubbish dog? How do you wake up and the first thing you are seeing is going beans? How do you wake up and the first thing you see is a keke napep? You must wake up and provoke your eyes. Something must tamper with your brain cells. I had to cut images of things that I wanted to see in my future. When I wanted to buy a Range Rover, I put the pictures of Range Rover black and I said, this is the car I wanted. It is the first thing that I see. By the time I was buying Range Rover, I bought 16 because it had entered into my medulla oblongata. Your poverty is not outside, it's inside. So I sat down in front of the beach. I was looking at the vessels there. Looking at the vessels. I said that when they take light in town, there is light in that vessel. There are people that are sleeping, so there is a bed in that place. I wanted to see people eat in that place, so there's food, there's diesel, there's light in that place. How do they survive inside the water? Today, I own my own vessels because I have been looking at it. What are you looking at? Number 2 is your ear. Your ear is a gate. And I challenge everybody here. If I sing a song now, if you know it, just raise your hand up. When the baby they enter body, hey, who knows the song? Raise your hand up. Very good. How many of you know shaka shaka? Hey, shaka shaka. You are forming this hair. How many of you know that you have 100 million? You don't know that. You know why? Because the file is not in your head. Burna Boy has put Bedu, killing them inside your head. So when he sings the song, you open your file jacket and remove it. When Shoko plays, Whiskey will open, the file is inside them. He doesn't need your permission. He just keeps singing. It will tamper with you and enter. What you allow enter you will eat you up. The 10th gate is your smell. What you smell affects your decisions. They may sound simple, but this is what I use to tamper my brain cell. The mouth for tasting. The last one is your hand, your body, what you touch. I say this as a foundation because all these gates affect your decisions. Your failure or successes is tied to your senses. Your nose, your mouth, your eyes, your mouth, and your ear. 4 of them are in your head. Where you sleep determines your future. Who you sleep with determines your future. Because these senses affect your decisions. It comes to the conscious, to the subconscious. The same house that I stayed when I married my wife, I squatted in somebody's house. The man is still living there. 17 years after, I have 7 houses I bought. Your problem is not outside. Your problem is inside you. It all starts from up here. And I wanted to single it there. That what you do daily forms a habit under. Once it becomes a habit, you are toasted.